शॉर्ट बॉल पे ये शॉट कौन खेलता है यार? अगर मैं होता ना बस बॉल को देखता और शानदार।
खुद को एक्सपर्ट समझते हो तो खेलो प्लेयर स्पॉट पर लोएस्ट एंट्री फी में।
And while now the country is celebrating Cheteshwar Pujara, each one of us, and we have, even in 2018-19, when that series happened, you scored 300s, 500 plus runs. But there are these periods, IPL happens, etc. All of a sudden, there's different form of cricket. Does it ever impact you in any way that, oh, I'm training myself alone when the country is focused on a different format? Or have you come to terms with it that you have a bigger goal, and that is to serve India in the red ball format?
Well, I still have aspirations to play white ball. There's no doubt about that. And at the same time, yes, it becomes little difficult when other guys are getting some match practice. If I'm very honest, after the lockdown, I didn't have any match practice before the Australia tour. So to prepare for that, for a big series, it became a little difficult because otherwise, if there was no COVID, there could have been some first class games which I would have played, but because of lockdown and COVID, there were not many first class games which I could play, and I only played one game before the test series started in Australia. So as a batter, it was difficult to gain the rhythm, gain that concentration. So yes, I mean early on it was a bit difficult, but as I started playing few more games, I mean it took for me, it took a couple of test matches to just find the right way. And also credit goes to the Australian team because they did a lot of homework on what I did in the last series, the game plan which they had. Yes, I mean it wasn't easy to break that game plan, but ultimately after a couple of test matches, I found my rhythm. I got my concentration back. I trusted what I was doing, and I was able to score runs in the last two test matches.
You've just given me the next question. What was the game plan? What did you do different?
Well, as a batter, I just told myself that what are my scoring opportunities. If they had a game plan, I also had my game plan. I can't talk in detail, but yes, I figured out what I had to do when they were setting such fields. What are my score? What were my scoring opportunities? And yes, ultimately, it's all about finding the right rhythm. As a batter, you start moving your feet well. You start seeing the ball early. All such things happened little later. I was hoping that it would have started a little earlier for me in first two test matches, but yes, it was. I mean, it's always better late than never. So yeah, I was happy with that.
Ajikya was on my show, and he said to me that you were very sort of dissatisfied with the first two test matches because you got in, you got out. Now, give me a little bit more. I mean, because after Adelaide, Virat was going back. You, based on what you had achieved in 2018-19, was India's hope, our hope. All of us were like, Cheteshwar Pujara will do the job again. And how did you make it back after Adelaide? How was it for you to deal with it mentally as the team's premier batsman with more Virat going back? How did you deal with it mentally, and how did you make the transformation?
I think mentally there was a bigger transformation which was needed. I felt that first couple of test matches were tough, and I was trying to put too much pressure on myself, and which didn't help. So yeah, I mean, and it wasn't easy. It was a bit tough. There were many people hoping that I'll score runs, or even the self. Uh, I mean, if, I also wanted to score runs, prove that I have been preparing well. I trusted my preparation, but at the same time there was a lot of pressure, which didn't help. So I told myself that I mean yes, I mean I have to do something, and I also got a text from Anil Bhai when because uh, I was in touch in 2018. And especially against Aussie attack, the way he described in 2017, he told me that you have to play in certain manner. The game plan which he told me in 2017 has been helping me uh, play well against Nathan Lyon. So yes, I mean there were so many things which I had to process in my head. I processed it. I spoke to a batting coach. I
Mm.
spoke to Ravi Bhai. So yes, most of the feedback which I got was positive, that I was batting well. I was doing well, and I just had to continue the way I have been batting without any baggage in my head.
स्पोर्ट्स से जुड़ी किसी भी अपडेट के लिए स्पोर्ट्स तक को सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारे फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम पेज को भी जरूर फॉलो करें।